Today, we're gonna be continuing Steven Universe Centric Attack. Now, I couldn't bear but to just end at my pearl and go on to the ruby. So I made a ruby too. I'm a little sick still. I got my shot and everything. I don't know why it's not working, but I'm still gonna play Steven Universe. See, I made a ruby. Ruby is running with Steven Universe. Okay, we're gonna playing Steven Universe Centric Attack, as you know, and Steven just closed his eyes. Look like he has no eyes. Okay. Oh, I was about to press on Pearl, but we have a quartz. Let's do Strawberry Battlefield, and I really like the desert. The desert. As I like the music melody. I like dun 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 dun. It's just calming. We're gonna continue for Battlefield. I fought alongside Rose Quartz on this battlefield thousands of years ago. Now it's wild star, but it's as far as the eye can see. Ooh, that's what I love about the Earth. What's happening with my game? I don't know what's happening, but please ignore that, guys. It's just I don't know why. Okay, okay, we're continuing. The problem is gone, so don't need to worry about that. I got it. Oopsie. What I noticed about this game is that level 2 and 6 are the only ones that have music with words. Why am I getting bad at this now? Probably because something's happening. Well, at least I got the stars. And when we get to the kindergarten, guys, it's gonna be a finale. I'm gonna say finale, but it's not over yet. I'm still gonna go back to levels that I didn't get 3 stars on, and then that's the finale. Okay, this is the end of the music. I think I put my volume on maximum, so I think, yeah, I put my volume on a little bit high, but it's okay now. I want it to be a little bit high for you guys to hear it, so I want you guys to hear it with mine almost all the way up, so you won't have to put that much volume, just in case the volume button does glitches and everything. Also popped off or something. I don't know what happened to you guys. But anyways, on to the next level. Come on. Okay, we got on to the next level, guys. I'm playing the next one. With concentration. So I might not speak in this one because I need concentration. I'm gonna concentrate. So concentrating. Come on. Don't you fail me, fingers? I mean thumbs. Uh-oh. Oh, I got 3 stars. No need to worry. Got it. Oh yes, I got 3 stars without even losing a lot. Okay. Yay! I thought I was gonna lose that one and to get 2 or 1 star because it was glitching everything. I don't know why my quartz game glitches than the pearl and the ruby. It doesn't glitch. I don't know why. It's weird a little bit. Oh, this is the one with music. With the music with words. I like it. I like the ones with words. But I like the deserts, all the levels. I need you to find a fight all over the top. I've got the box, I've got the box. Got the rockets at the lug. When you're dining out with me, the fight is again. And then take the table. Ain't no. Whoa! There's Sue. That's a Pete. And if I break a table, it ain't no. Whoa! Isn't in the regular song, just one time. This is just melody, I must admit. Okay. I'm totally just leaving out the words. Okay. Now on to level 7. Yeah, got past level 6 and now let's go to level 7. I have a jangle kitty over here. Let me jangle it in the speaker. Okay, never mind that. She is cute. She's part of the TY collection. The jingle ones. Has a little jingle bell inside her. Like she ate a jingle bell. Okay, got it. So this is a pretty simple game until you get into the kindergarten. Into more levels. And the harder it gets and faster it gets. I really want kindergarten level 2. Because that's when Garnet's saying stronger than you. That's the pause the game. Sorry, I had to scratch my nose. I'm scratchy. Okay, let's continue. Am I so scratchy today? Okay, this is one of the levels that I need to redo when I get all the levels in the kindergarten, pass them all. And it's gonna say finale. And then Steven Universe. Then the title after it says Steven Universe. Soundtrack Attack Finale in parentheses. That's gonna be the final level in kindergarten, of course. Here's level 7. And I really like kindergarten level 6 because then it's like the extended theme song. If you're evil and you're on the rise, you can count on the 4 of us taking you down. Cause the good and evil never beats us. But when the fight and then go out for pieces. I think I really like that song. So, yeah. What's wrong? What's wrong? Sorry guys, my game like glitched and something, so I had to come back again. And just press this. And then swipe it away. And then I'm gonna choose my course again, and then we continue playing. Come on. Oh wait, we already finished that. Why did I do that? Okay guys, we're gonna go to the desert. Yay! Desert, desert. I like the desert. That's where they, cause the Steven found the lion. I like all of the songs. just doing melodies. I like the level 5 the most, I think. Let's go level 1. Come back, you coward. Come back here, you cowards. Really? Really? Doesn't even she click? Maybe it's on will speed things up. I don't know why it's glitching. Just don't mind that. Okay, we're back. And that was weird. I don't know why it always glitches. Wish for it to stop. This music just sounds calming to me. Keep going. Got 2 stars so far. I need 3 to pass this level. I passed this level with 3 stars. It's just because this game is glitching. My quartz is glitching. I don't know why. Oh yeah, we got 3 stars. Probably have time to do level 2 and 3, probably. If not, just level 3. I mean 2. Why'd they say level 3? That's after 2. I'm just pressing it. Oopsie, I didn't mean to do that. Guys, this is where this is the desert, like where we find Lion. It seems like just yesterday. Now look at him. He can't live without his treat. Or 5 naps a day. That went fast because I messed up on the first one. Jingle kitty, jingle kitty. Don't cost nothing. Don't cost nothing. With all this money, I could just service you. Don't cost nothing. Don't cost nothing. Or I could just service you. And yeah, I know the song. Some is just a melody from Steven Universe and we have never heard. And they just made it and make it in Steven Universe. But I don't know. I know. Melody changes. It's like 2 songs in one. In the song. In the platform. Concentrate. These gems are corrupted in this game. They're all corrupted. And other obstacles. And let's bring Pearl. That's what he said. And let's bring Pearl. Pearl had a weird face on her. Okay guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next Steven Universe soundtrack attack video. Please subscribe and like this video so you can get all the notifications. And it'll make me happy. Okay, thank you guys for watching. Bye. Have a wonderful day.